तोहफा फादर्स डे उसको symbolic day. We possibly call him and wish him. My father doesn't believe in Father's Day, and nor do I believe in any of these Valentine's Day or Father's Day, with all due respect for the people who celebrate it. Each day is a Father's Day celebration for me, likewise for love and Valentine's Day and everything else. Having said that, my father has been my hero, is my hero, will be my hero. I'm just so glad and thankful to him for allowing me to be the person and the actor that I've turned to be. He's from the same profession. He's never been overbearing. Let me grow as a person, as an actor, and just been there for me. And I want to thank him from the bottom of my heart for doing that. So yeah.
I agree with Sharman. You cannot take out Father's Day as an individual day and say, "Ki, Aaj I love you more than yesterday." I love you every day. I mean, as a father, I mean, my kids will tell me I don't have a father, but my kids tell me every day that, you know, they love me, even when I am not in my best mood. Lekin it's nice to feel special sometimes. So shayad it's not such a bad idea.
Not such a bad idea.
Children don't do what you tell them to do. Children do what you do, and I feel that's if you do it in front of them, they will follow you. So you have to do right always.
Baman ko all my love, and I really truly mean this. Baman, it's an absolute pleasure and honor to work with him. He's a wonderful actor we all know of course, but thankfully we also get along off the sets. There's a general sense of love and respect, I think, that we have for each other, and I'm really grateful that Baman is a part of this film, and it's wonderful. I would just want to say that, Baman, I love you.
No, darling. एक सिंगल आउट करने में मुश्किल होता है, लेकिन बच्चन साहब ने देखी है फिल्म, अनिल कपूर ने देखी है, संजय दत्त ने देखी है फिल्म, और दे वर सो जेनरस विद देयर वर्ड्स. और बहुत सारे लोग जो हम जानते नहीं हैं कि ये लोग कौन है, लेकिन स्क्रीनिंग में हमने चेहरा देखा और ऐसे ऐसे मोमेंट्स में इमोशनल हो गए. आई थिंक दैट्स अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट इन इटसेल्फ टू द डायरेक्टर कि इतनी ट्रूथ और ऑनेस्टी से पिक्चर बनाई कि लोग दे आर मूव्ड सो ब्यूटिफुली कि हम सोच समझ के नहीं ये सीन को कंस्ट्रक्ट किया कि यहाँ पे रोएंगे, यहाँ पे हंसेंगे, बट दैट्स अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट इन इटसेल्फ. मैं ऐसे समथिंग आज मैंने ट्वीट किया सुबह कि शर्मन कहता है आई एम नॉट नर्वस. मैं नर्वस हूँ, शर्मन कहता है आई एम नॉट नर्वस, तो मैं हंसने लगा, बोला ही इज शर्मैन नॉट सुपरमैन.